Henan DONGTAI Gear Co. Limited. As a leading enterprise in the field of domestic transmission, its self-developed DTQ European electric hoist lifting reducer is designed for high-frequency, heavy, load conditions. The following is the highlight analysis of its core technology. Precision transmission, high efficiency and energy saving. DTQ series adopts hard-tooth surface gear design, with transmission efficiency of more than 96%, significantly reducing energy consumption. Its multi-stage acceleration structure supports a wide range of transmission ratios of 39.43 to 217.6, adapting to the needs of electric hoists of different tonnages. Compact structure, stable load bearing, modular design. The box is made of high-strength cast iron, which can stably carry the rated load of 0.5332 T, and the impact resistance is increased by 40%, which is suitable for harsh environments such as metallurgy and ports. Intelligent protection, long-term and durable. IP55 protection level is standard, which can effectively resist dust, oil and moisture erosion, ensure the safe operation of the equipment in the environment from -20°C to 50°C around the clock. Low noise operation, easy maintenance. The operating noise is less than 70 decibels, which is better than the industry standard. Combined with the detachable end cover and lubrication-free bearing design, the daily maintenance cycle is extended by 50%, which greatly reduces the user's operation and maintenance costs. At present, the DTQ series has passed CE and ISO 9001 certifications, and DONGTAI Gear continues to provide reliable and intelligent transmission solutions for customers around the world.